Hi guys, so we've recently done a video where we butchered this chicken, and now I'm just going to show you how we season it and get it ready for cook. So the first thing that I'm going to do with what I do with all chicken is just sprinkle some salt over the top of it all. Now I'm going to choose different seasoning for each one. I've got myself some bags here, and I'm just going to put one of my drumsticks into there, one of my thighs into there, one of these fillets into there, and a wing. And in that bag I'm going to put some barbecue sauce. So literally just going to squirt it straight into that bag. Like that. Okay? I'm just going to move it all around. Get everything covered. And then I'm going to leave that overnight to turn into barbecue flavoured chicken. Now, the next one we're going to do one of these chicken breasts, and we're going to pop that into that bag. And get myself some wash my hands. Make sure you wash your hands after touching the chicken each time. A little bit of chilli powder, okay? Into there. I'm going to put a little drizzle of olive oil onto the top of it, and also a little bit, if I can get into it, a little bit of mixed herbs. Okay, now I'm going to rub that all around, and that's going to be another one. So you can carry on with all your favourite seasoning. Get it all into separate bags. You can even batter it, you can do what you want with it. So these are all the things that you can do with chicken, as long as you've got it freshly carved off the bone, and then you can just crack on. And there we go, that's how we marinate and season chicken.